Hampshire seacoast is very special as it can be driven, seen, and appreciated by many. If you've been looking for that spectacular Atlantic Ocean view to enjoy from your own home, this property has it all. With nearly 180-degree ocean views from the Massachusetts coast to the Maine coast and the scenic Isle of Shoals in between, it's hard to find a better setting and a nicer home than this one. And it's an easy stroll to local beaches. Direct, unobstructed views. Enjoy watching the sun and the moon rise from this custom-built, modern contemporary home. One owner and the first time it's ever been offered for sale. More than 3,400 square feet on multiple levels, with walls of windows offering ocean views from every room. As you enter this property through the stone columns, the driveway rises up from the street level to give this home a prominent setting on the half-acre lot. At the top of the driveway, you approach the entrance of the home and the oversized 4-car attached garage. An 11-zone irrigation system ensures the property is lush and green all summer long. The first level has a center island kitchen, which is open to the adjacent dining and living rooms. There's a southwesterly-facing nautical motif to three-season porch having a mural-painted ceiling. Additionally, there's a half bath and a sunken solarium. Up a few steps from the entry level brings you to the family room with incredible ocean views. From the family room, it's just another short stairway to the second level, boasting a study, the master bedroom and bath, as well as a third bedroom and another full bath. The third level is referred to as the crow's nest, which is a very adaptable room with 5 oversized skylights and more ocean views and breezes. Just a few steps down from the entry level brings you to a spacious bedroom with a private bath.